there's the bell. Yeah, all signs point to this match being one for the ages. Oh, this is going to be good. But hey, the fans in the Windy City cannot care less about all this hype. They just want to witness some WWE greatness.
Competing at full health here, definitely in a good position. Narrowly avoids the attack there. Kane! Oh my, what a move! He's got his eyes set on his chest.
Oh, he's obviously hoping to end it quickly.
We've seen this before.
It's all over but the shouting. Ow! Ooh.
And he gets out of the way.
A huge reversal by Kane. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Hey, he's going for it again. That's it. He's out.
There's the FTF stretching the neck and spine.
They're going to have to tap out. Oh, that's going to hurt.
Corbin looking a bit uneasy here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's it. He's done. Uh-oh. It may be time. That's it. He's out. Back into the ring now.
Yeah, this is good. This is where the action needs to be. No! Undertaker!
Oh, submission. The hold's locked in. We know what this is. Nowhere to go.
After a move like that, he's going to need a chiropractor in his near future.
We now have to question if he'll be able to come back after that.
He's starting to stumble here. And it's so hard to create space for yourself in a tornado tag team match such as this.
But hey, this is what we signed up for, didn't we?
Oh my. Baron Corbin.
It only...
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out?
And he brings the action back.
What a win. Baron Corbin with the victory.
Let's go to the highlights here.
Here are your winners, Baron Corbin and the Brotherhood.
Man, what a contest. We definitely just witnessed one for the ages.
I'll remember that one for a long time.
Thank you for watching.
Man, this is one of those wins you don't forget anytime soon.